When you want to disable two-factor authentication, 2FA, disable your withdrawal PIN code, WPC, or change the email address associated with your CEX.IO account, you'll need to submit 2 ID confirmation photos. Photo of your ID document next to a handwritten note, photo of you holding your ID document and the handwritten note next to your face. We ask for these photos to make sure the request is coming from the true account holder. To help you resolve your issue, we've prepared a short guide. Before taking photos, collect your ID document and write a note. Your ID document can be either a driver's license, passport, or national ID card. Then write a note. The text on the note will depend on your request. If you want to disable two-factor authentication, the note should say CEX.IO 2FA disable, along with your name and the current date. If you want to change your email, it should say CEX.IO email change, along with your name and the current date. If you wish to disable WPC, it should say CEX.IO WPC disable, along with your name and the current date. Make sure the note is handwritten. Take photos. First, take a photo of your ID document next to the note. Put your ID document next to the note on a flat surface and take a photo. All 4 edges of your ID must be visible within the image. Both the ID document and the note must be in the same photo. Next, take a picture of yourself holding the same ID document and the same note next to your face. You can do this by taking a selfie using your mobile phone or a web camera, or you can ask a friend or family member to take a photo of you holding the documents. When taking this photo, hold both the ID document and the note in one hand next to your face. Face the camera directly. Don't cover your face with the note or document. Double check the photo to make sure that all the information on the ID and note is clear and visible. No part of your face, the document or the note is covered. Now you can forward these photos to our support team either by responding to an open ticket or by creating a new ticket via our help centre. Make sure to sign in, provide all the required information as prompted, and attach the photos. That's it! Safe trading!